Need to replace the license plate light bulb on your 2014-2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee? It's a simple DIY task. These models typically use a 2825 bulb, also known as W5W or 168. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool. First, open the trunk and locate the light housing above the rear bumper. Gently pry it open. Avoid over-tightening the clips to prevent cracks. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise. Remove the old bulb and insert the new one. Reassemble the housing and you're done. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to test the light after installation. As of 2025, these steps remain consistent as there have been no major design changes affecting this process. For best results, avoid touching the bulb with bare hands to prevent premature failure. If the new bulb doesn't work, check your fuses. They're located under the hood or in the fuse box. Consider upgrading to an LED bulb for longer life and better energy efficiency. LEDs can last 5 to 10 times longer than traditional bulbs. While original equipment used halogen bulbs, many owners now retrofit with LEDs. Parts are widely available online for $5 to $15. This task is considered very easy by Jeep owners with high satisfaction rates. If you encounter any issues, check online resources like Jeep forums or YouTube tutorials for visual guides. Remember, properly functioning license plate lights are crucial for legal compliance and vehicle safety.